The Koenigsegg Æther 2058 emerges as a hypercar that defies gravity, technology, and imagination all at once. Imagine a vehicle that hovers above the asphalt as though it were floating through space. Its body infused with zero-gravity hypercell technology, capable of dynamically adjusting lift, aerodynamics, and stability in real time. This is not merely a carrot, it is a symbiotic extension of the driver's will, a machine that reacts to micro-expressions, anticipates desires, and interprets emotional states to create a wholly immersive driving experience. The Æther begins as a vision of ultimate freedom, a hypercup that eliminates the boundaries between road, driver, and environment. Where motion is experienced as fluid, weightless, and exhilaratingly surreal, its presence is simultaneously futuristic and organic. Sculpted carbon composite panels flex subtly with airflow, glowing energy channels pulse along the chassis, and aerodynamic surfaces shift like the wings of a cosmic creature, responding to speed, angle, and intent. Even from a distance, the car communicates intelligence and emotion, hinting at the interactive experience awaiting those who enter its cockpit. The Æther 2058 embodies Koenigsegg's next evolutionary leap, integrating hypercell energy systems, regenerative nanostructures, and zero-emission propulsion into a form that feels alive. Every element is engineered not only for performance, but for emotional resonance, creating a car that is as much a personal companion as it is a super. It is capable of traversing conventional roads, magnetic tracks, and even elevated vacuum lanes, modulating its gravitational profile to offer a true zero-G sensation at high speeds. The concept transcends traditional automotive engineering by merging quantum energy manipulation, adaptive biomimetic materials, and advanced AI orchestration, giving the Æther an almost sentient awareness of its surroundings, driver state, and environmental variables. It is introduced not simply as a vehicle, but as an evolving organism, a masterclass in hypermobility and human-machine symbiosis, capable of responding, learning, and adapting over time. The design reflects a fusion of futuristic science and Koenigsegg's signature sculptural language. Its exterior features hypercomposite panels embedded with luminescent energy conduits that illuminate under acceleration or braking, revealing the dynamic flow of power through the car's hypercell core. Micro-actuated surfaces flex and extend to manage airflow, stabilize the chassis, and optimize lift without ever compromising aesthetics. Transparent canopy sections extend over the cockpit, giving an unobstructed view of the horizon while doubling as augmented reality displays projecting telemetry, navigation, and immersive cosmic visualizations. Interior materials include adaptive, smart leather, reactive carbon fiber surfaces, and memory weave seating that molds instantly to the driver's body while adjusting firmness, temperature, and support dynamically. Haptic feedback zones in the steering pedals provide a tactile communication layer, ensuring the driver feels the car's intentions as much as they experience them visually or orally. Propulsion is rooted in the revolutionary hypercell and fusion of zero-gravity quantum cores and photon absorption units that convert light, heat, and kinetic energy into near-limitless power. This allows the Æther to accelerate with the fluidity of a spacecraft, reaching top speeds while modulating gravitational forces for complete vehicle stability. Regenerative aerochannels harvest wind energy at high velocity, while nanobot-driven self-repair systems continuously maintain structural integrity and performance. Each movement of the car is precise yet effortless. Magnetic Levi suspension nullifies vibrations, and omnidirectional wheel assemblies allow lateral, diagonal, or even hovering maneuvers without compromising safety or control. The car navigates terrain preemptively, scanning hundreds of meters ahead with quantum sensors to adjust lift, traction, and damping dynamically. The interior transcends traditional luxury and becomes a sanctuary for the senses. Adaptive lighting follows the driver's circadian rhythm, while scent diffusion and atmospheric modulation create states of alertness, calm, or focus, depending on driving conditions. Crystal-clear audio systems deliver holographic soundscapes, while augmented reality overlays display terrain, performance metrics, or immersive cosmic visuals that enhance both navigation and emotional engagement. Every control surface reacts organically, responding to touch, pressure, and even micro-movements, making the cabin feel alive, and intimately connected to the driver's intentions. The seats, pedal systems, and steering column adjust in real time, guided by biometric and neural feedback, creating a seamless bond where the car's body responds instinctively to the driver's decisions. At the core of the Æther lies an advanced AI system, the Æther neural matrix, which monitors microexpressions, heart rate, and breathing to anticipate emotional states and driving intent. It optimizes speed sensitivity, suspension feedback, aerodynamic modulation, and environmental comfort without intrusive intervention. Safety becomes proactive rather than reactive. Predictive algorithms foresee potential hazards, modulate vehicle dynamics, and even intervene when necessary to maintain harmony and stability. The AI evolves with the driver over time, learning patterns, preferences, and habits, forming a long-term partnership that enhances both performance and personal connection. Sustainability is not an afterthought, but intrinsic to the TR's design. Its hypercell energy cores and regenerative chassis systems operate with zero emissions, harvesting power from light, atmospheric fluctuations, and kinetic recovery. Nanobot maintenance ensures longevity of materials, while all interior components are engineered to be recyclable or biodegradable. The entire vehicle functions as a self-contained, self-renewing ecosystem, capable of high-performance operation over decades without conventional service, fuel, or replacement parts. The experience of piloting the Koenigsegg Æther 2058 is transformative. Driving becomes a dialogue between consciousness, emotion, and physics. Where acceleration feels like floating, every turn becomes a flowing gesture, and the car's body communicates through light, sound, and subtle motion. Long journeys become meditative, immersive, and exhilarating all at once. The Æther redefines performance by blending technology, art, and emotion into a single, evolving organism that responds not only to commands, but to the driver's mental and emotional state. Each journey contributes to a growing database of driver interaction, further refining the bond and allowing the car to evolve in responsiveness, agility, and personality. Ultimately, the Æther 2058 is more than a hypercar. It is a living testament to the future of mobility, a zero-gravity symphony of design, technology, and human connection. It exemplifies how machines can transcend mechanical limits to become companions, guides, and extensions of ourselves. Its legacy lies in redefining hypercar culture for a new era, where speed is not merely measured in miles per hour, but in the richness of the immersive experience, the depth of emotional connection, and the seamless integration of life, technology, and imagination. The Koenigsegg Æther 2058 establishes a benchmark for the hypercar of the future, a machine that is alive, participatory, sustainable, and profoundly human in its interaction, redefining what it means to drive, to feel, and to exist alongside technology that thinks, reacts, and evolves. Beyond its breathtaking exterior and cutting-edge propulsion, the Koenigsegg Æther 2058 creates an experience that is profoundly personal, almost symbiotic. Every journey becomes a conversation between the driver and machine, where the hypercell systems anticipate intentions before they are consciously executed. During high-speed runs, the car's body shifts fluidly, creating undulating patterns of energy light across its surface, signaling both motion and emotional resonance. Acceleration is no longer a jolt, but a seamless glide, as though gravity itself has been reinterpreted. Even subtle adjustments in steering, braking, or lane changes feel like a natural extension of the driver's body, facilitated by quantum sensor networks and real-time AI modulation. The sense of connection is heightened by the interior environment, which adapts dynamically. Airflow responds to body temperature, seat firmness, adjusts to micro-movements, and cabin lighting gently shifts in intensity, and color to match mood and focus, transforming the act of driving into a meditative, almost spiritual experience. The augmented reality canopy further elevates the journey, overlaying real-world landmarks with holographic data and celestial simulations, allowing the driver to feel simultaneously grounded and in orbit. This immersive visualization turns every road into a stage, every cityscape into an interactive performance, and every twist or straightaway into a choreographed dance of light, motion, and perception. Meanwhile, the Thur's AI continuously learns from each journey, storing micro-patterns of behavior, preferred routes, and environmental interactions. Over time, this creates a deeply personalized hypercar that grows smarter, more intuitive, and more attuned to the driver's emotional rhythms. It's a living testament to the future of hypermobility, a vehicle that is not only an engineering marvel, but a companion, an artistic creation, and an evolving extension of human capability, seamlessly integrating emotion, intelligence, performance into a singular, extraordinary driving experience.